Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to archive a chat that you don't want to respond or get notification, but you just want to ignore that bot or chat. You can do it by tapping on it, hold it for a while, then over here you can see the option of three dot icon. Over here you can see the option of archive. There you go, you've got it archived. Like this, you can archive as many as you want. Archiving chats won't delete or block someone. You can always go and look back and look at their notifications and reply them whenever you want. Archiving is a feature that helps you to hide your chats as well. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.